Hello, students. This week we are going to be talking about the Shang Dynasty with ancient China. We're going to start off Monday with using your textbook, chapter 9. We're going to read the introduction together and so forth. So here is the digital copy of the textbook. You can also use your personal textbook to work on the worksheet assignment. So we're going to open up the worksheet assignment. And this worksheet is a direct connect to the chapter. So if you notice here, it's 20.2. So you're going to read that section to be able to answer this question. What conclusion did archaeologists come up to when they found human and animal bones in the ruins of Anyang? Ooh, interesting. So you're going to read that paragraph in 20.2, and then you're going to go ahead and type the answer. The conclusion the archaeologists came up with is, and type your answer. You're going to go ahead and answer the rest of these questions throughout this whole worksheet. And like I said, it's a direct connect to the chapter. So if you go to that section of the chapter, you'll be able to find your answers. And they're all in sequential order. Okay, so the answer for this right here, kings used, is not going to be in the first part of 20.5. It will be in the last part of 20.5. All right, so you're just going to go ahead and use the text box to type in your answers. Make sure you have capitals and periods when you answer these questions, and good luck. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. And this is what you're going to be working on starting today, Monday, and then for your asynchronous days, you'll be working on this as well. All right, thank you.